Hello everyone, you are welcome back to this video. Today is how to use milk and lemon. Milk and lemon to prepare this facial mask. This is a very beautiful mask for both sensitive and normal skin. All we do is TC prepare and apply on your face or skin. It will help you to achieve glowing beautiful face and skin. It will leaving your skin looking young, soft and supple. You have to keep watching and please subscribe. To make this, I need a quarter cup of milk, 60 milliliters. Raw milk is a great natural facial cleanser. It removes all the dirt from clogged pores, prevents blackheads, acne, and much more. The high lactic acid content not only has skin whitening properties, but also helps in getting rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. Please leave a comment, I'm very interested in your thoughts. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. For today's recipe, we also need cucumbers. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties, and they are also rich in antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid. Cucumbers contain both vitamin C and folic acid. Vitamin C has the ability to stimulate new cell growth, while folic acid helps fight environmental toxins that can make your skin look dull or prematurely age. The cooling and anti-inflammatory effects of cucumber help relieve pain, redness, and irritation caused by sunburn, insect bites, and rashes. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. We also need lemon for this recipe. Benefits of lemon for facial skin. Sparkles 1. Brighten skin tone. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten dull skin and improve overall glow. Helps even out skin tone and reduce discoloration. Herb 2. Reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Helps fade sunspots, acne marks, freckles, and hyperpigmentation over time. Makes the skin look clearer and more radiant. Soap 3. Controls oil and tightens pores. Lemon has natural antibacterial properties that help reduce excess oil. Helps tighten pores and prevent breakouts. Gemstone 4. Boosts collagen production. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, which improves skin elasticity. Helps reduce fine lines and signs of aging. Leaf fluttering in wind 5. Natural exfoliation. Lemon gently removes dead skin cells, leaving the skin smoother and fresher. Improves skin texture and clarity. Friends, you have to keep watching because I'm going to apply this on my face. Keep watching to see how to use this. I'm going to dip a lemon in a face mask and apply it on my face like this. It's really good. Apply it on your face for 5 minutes. Apply this for 5 minutes, okay. After 5 minutes leave it on your face for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes wash it off, and that's all you have to do. So I'm going to leave this on your face for 10 minutes and wash it off. And you'll see how beautiful, very smooth and very soft your face looks. My friend, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. A few milk recipes. Glass of milk sparkles 1. Milk plus honey whitening mask. White heavy checkmark benefits. Softens and brightens the skin. Provides whitening and moisturizing effects. Reduces dullness and uneven skin tone. Receipt ingredients needed. 1 tablespoon milk. 1 teaspoon honey. Bowl with spoon preparation. Mix both well. Apply to clean face. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, rinse with warm water. Cooked rice sparkles 2. Milk plus rice flour whitening mask. White heavy checkmark benefits. Whitens and smooths the skin. Removes dead cells. Shrinks pores. Receipt ingredients needed. 1 tablespoon milk. 1 tablespoon rice flour. Bowl with spoon preparation. Mix until it forms a thick paste. Apply to face, massage lightly. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Herb sparkles 3. Milk plus cucumber juice whitening mask. White heavy checkmark benefits. Whitens and cools. Reduces dark circles. Soothes skin. Receipt ingredients. 1 tablespoon milk. 1 tablespoon cucumber juice. Bowl with spoon preparation. Mix and apply to face. Wait for 15 minutes, rinse with cold water. Warning tip. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Test on a small area first. It is recommended to use SPF in the sun. Dear friends, write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know.